Hello everyone at home, it's me, the Game Lion. Today we're going to be playing Teardown. Dun dun, Teardown. There's tons of mods on. Look. To get that one on and which one out? That's all I guess. And banana bomb. Okay, Matt. Okay, we got all the mods in. Campaign. We're playing campaign today. Campaign. Pain. All I know is pain. Oh, I got Minecraft pickaxe. I forgot about that. TV, turn it on off. That's by putting the TV. Make my TV yellow. Oh, I played that level before. How do we record this video? I'm just gonna use this fully. I'm just gonna test out the new weapon. Okay, calm down. Holy crap. Oh, a game. Oh, my game. Okay, just hurry up and get to the. Why is this still floating? I just got a sucker. Let's suck out the roof. That's cool. What the? Oh! Holy crud. Why? Oh, I forgot I had jetpack. Oh! My foot! Oh, you can pick up stuff from this? No way. Hold up. That gives me an idea. If I even do that. I came in like a wrecking ball. Cut this car in half. I cut this car in half. Well, I probably wasn't gonna meet the. Oh, I can talk for the wood. What the fuck just happened? Oh, took it out. Cut the chimney in half. Timber! Ow! Okay, let's go do the campaign missions. Wait a second. Put that door off. Or I could just pull it off. Okay, my place is ruined, so. Classic cars need coffee. Oh, that's missions. What missions? Oh, Miller Point. Play mission. Classic cars. Crap falling over. I just stepped out of. Oh, that's why. Am I gonna need to? I gotta stop using that. Try not to now. Okay, with that. Where's this stuff at? What? I have no clip. I don't remember me. I'm that mod. There we go. Okay, where's the places? There's something there. Okay, there's a vehicle there. That's just gonna be for 2 vehicles. Let's go look how this one's doing. Try not to be quiet. Oh, it's inside of a. Oh no! Hold up. These missions. Just Oh, I don't think we need this. Okay, we're not doing missions. Let's go play some sandbox. Ooh, dang, this is completely new. Ooh. This map looks promising. Ugh. Oh, my back. Oh, it's a mall. You know what that means. Graffiti on the car. So I paint the car. Victory! I got one. On my way. My question is, oops. Ow. You. Okay, I'm trying to get out. Put some nice locations and on the way out. Dang, that's like a whole concert out here. Like baby, baby, baby. Ow! Like baby, baby, baby. What is this? Oh, just a stand. You know, this reminds me of a 9 nuke. I forgot this weapon. Ooh. It disintegrated that holy. What's the gun? Ow! Holy crap! What is going on? Why is the game so laggy? Oh, I wonder why. What happened over there? What happened? What did I do this? Holy crap! This whole this building is short. Wait, oh, I didn't do that. I'm so confused what just happened. I'm sorry, Mom. Okay, it's like oh, I have an idea. It's like a weapon. Look, we're in the thing. Now we just have to cut a little hole in the window to get down. Perfect. Dee. Down. Ow! Come on, car. Get the car out. Get the car out. Get the car out. What the? Ah! Ooh. Oh no. I gotta go through the portal. What the? Oh. Pull the portal gun. Oh, I spawned a tornado in the mall. Oh no. Oh, there's a tornado. I don't know the Tesla gun does. I'll grab this to grab all the. Clean up, everybody 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 clean up. I don't think it was a good idea to spawn a tornado. Oopsies. Oopsie doopsies. Oopsies. Inferno mode. The trash is on fire, hey doggo. The trash is on fire. Wait, there's. Ow! The dog is attacking me viciously. That gives me an idea. I heard Justin Bieber singing and singing. Oops. Yeah, Justin Bieber. Take this, Justin Bieber. Hold up. We do take this, Justin Bieber. Justin Bieber's been assassinated. Wow, I just pulled this. Holy smokes. Ah, dog! Be clear. On them for one heal. I finished shredding. I forgot I have to call boosters. Ow. I have an idea. We got to fix this gun to go. Okay, ooh, porta potties. Hopefully the door's open. Yay. I gotta go take a poo. I got most diarrhea. I think so bye. Holy crap. Oh, wait. Dude, there was a bunch of good stuff there. Oh, oopsies. Oopsie daisy. Operations. Menu. There's all these cool sandbox levels, but this is like the map. In the map, yeah, trash train, let's do this. Play Tail B and G. Tail B and G is called. Oh! The guy. We had to save this guy. They stuck him in the car. Don't let him out. Let him out. I want him to cut to go send back. Grab him. Pull. No. Okay, I'm gonna have to army cut you out. Okay, calm down. Get the army cutter out. Army cutter. Army cut. We'll set him free. No, my guy died. Just gotta toss this on the map. Let's toss this. Toss this. Yeah, this is... Shut up! I can't even hit it anymore. What have I done? Okay, I just hit it and look without. That! I'm still stuck from this other map now. Where's my thingy? Where is it at? Stop. Oh my god. Finally stop. Ooh, a house. What you pay your rent time? Just go. Now we got to silver gun. Take his house down. Holy crud. Looks sweet over there. Ooh, that one's done. It's all the same trucks. Are you kidding me? Grab it. Grab it. Take this, you duck. Oh, I cut stack open. Come on, come back, come back, come back. Back. Oh, got it again. Oh, get it. Yeah, 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 yeah. This is a really, that made me get hurt. You don't do it. Mike. Hey, this is a brand new car, sir. The back of it. Oh, you bucket. What's if you just move it? Tap. Tab it. No. Well, I guess this will be in the video, guys. Goodbye.